Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Tradingview backtesting and walk forward optimization. Alright, this is going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste much time on this. I'm just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into the video. Now the first step is going to be to access the backtesting and the walk forward optimization features. So to access that, all you got to do is click on the backtesting button that's on the Tradingview dashboard. So go ahead and click that to access it. And step 2 is going to be to create a new backtesting and walk forward optimization project. So you can create a new backtesting and walk forward optimization project. And that will take us to step 3, where you're gonna configure your backtesting and walk forward optimization settings. So go ahead and configure that. You could do things like trading strategies, market data, and optimization parameters. Now the fourth and final step will be to run your backtesting and walk forward optimization. So now that you have it all set up and configured, just go ahead and run your backtesting and walk forward optimization to evaluate the performance of your trading strategy. So that's pretty much it on how to use the Tradingview backtesting and walk forward optimization. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.